Hello, City. I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw Little Mermaid. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel, Nanny Julie. Now let's look at the picture.
Oh, she's so cute. I like her hair and tail very much. One more beautiful princess for our collection. You can cut out your beautiful drawings and play with me. Look, my Elsa wants to make friends with that little mermaid so much.
Hurry up! Let's play. I will show you my castle.
Now let's look at the picture. We can see a head, ears, beautiful red hair, a swimsuit, arms and tail. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here on the top of my paper. Draw a big circle for head. C shape for her left ear and backward C shape for her right ear. Wow, that's it! Now 2 dots for her eyes. The first and the second. U shape for her smile. Oh, look how cute she is! 2 vertical lines under the head for her neck. Oh, that's the way to go! You are doing great! It's time for her beautiful hair. 2 backward C shape above her right ear. The first one, the second. Now we need to draw big wavy line from over here to the left. Follow me. From here to the left. Okay, great. It's nice. Now connect these 2 ends with a curve. Follow me. Bumpy line to her left ear. Wow, that's good! And one more over here. Wow, that's good! Now let's draw her body. 2 horizontal lines for her shoulders. Then big V shape. V shape. Okay, you're doing great. She needs a swimsuit. We will draw it with curves. Follow me. That's the way. Great. She has big fish tail. Curve over here and over here. Let's add some details. Short lines inside. Now letter S shape over here. And big curve over here. That's the way! Our tail is almost ready. Great! Now let's draw her tail fins. Draw S line. Then connect these sides with a curve. And add some details. Some wavy lines. 2 curves over here, the first and the second. And add some details, some wavy lines. Oh, we did it! I like your tail, it's so amazing! Now it's time for her arms. 2 diagonal lines on the left side and all for her palm. That's good! Then 2 curved lines on the right side. The first and the second. And oval for her palm. Follow me. Okay, you're doing great. Now let's finish her hair. A curve over here. But do not forget that hair is behind her arm and tail. Then 2 curves over here. The first and the second. Okay, you're doing great. And a wavy line that connects the left ear and this end.
That's the way to go. You did it. Now let's color in together. You can choose any color you like.
The only important thing is to have fun. Today I will color her hair red. Tracing and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Oh, your mermaid is so beautiful. Try to color over completely from edge to edge so that the white lines of the paper are not visible. Don't rush. Quietly, we will color everything together with you. We trace around the edge again, trying not to go beyond the line. My mermaid has roses in her cheeks. Let's add pink ovals for blush. Oh, your mermaid is so cute! Then I choose violet for swimsuit. A greenish blue color or turquoise for tail. You can choose any color you like. Tracing. Wow, that's good. And then coloring inside. What color will you choose for the tail? I'm sure you will do very beautifully. Then I choose light blue for this part of tail.
Wow, your little mermaid is so good. I want to see it so much. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel, Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper games. All links in the description under the video. See you. Bye bye.